Welcome back. Former BCCI President Shashank Manohar says BCCI cannot interfere in local associations' functioning or disputes until a complaint is lodged with BCCI. Shashank Manohar also told Prudent that the BCCI's affiliation and support will lie with the Goa Cricket Association and not the individual, which indirectly means GCA's new managing committee enjoys BCCI's support. Shashank Manohar never heard of any developments of the TV stadium in his tenure as president and feels GCA should buy land privately. Former BCCI President Shashank Manohar revealed to Prudent that BCCI could not interfere into GCA's rare coup where 11 members got together to overthrow the president Dayanand Narvekar.
I cannot say anything to you as I have not seen the Goa Cricket Association constitution. BCCI can only interfere if there is a reported dispute among two parties. Till then, BCCI is not concerned. BCCI will support Goa Cricket Association and not the individual.
But today there is a sea change because the faces of the managing committee members are glittering, they are smiling, which I haven't found earlier. Now, as I say that I was aware there were certain disputes in the management. These people had contacted me, but as my nature is, I told them that it would not be proper on my part to interfere in the internal functioning of any association. If you have any problems, you will have to sort it out with your members, and you must garner the support of your members. Now, as far as the new body taking over, it's not difficult to run an association when you run it honestly and fairly. When you administer a body, you cannot always take pleasant decisions for everybody. You may annoy somebody, but you must bear that brunt when you are sitting in a chair, because you should always look for the best interest of the association and the best interest of the game. Personalities don't make any difference.
Dayanand Narvekar, in his tenure as president, tried to erect an international cricket stadium, but it's been years now, the land is yet to be acquired.
5 years I am telling Goa Cricket Association that you should have your own stadium, but till date there is no development which has taken place. Every time I was told that yes, we are going to construct a stadium. Now, during my regime, because I finally put my foot down and took a decision that those associations who don't have a stadium will not be allotted a game, that decision is implemented and Goa would be deprived of an international game if you don't have a stadium of your own.
BCCI gives 50 crores subsidy to construct a stadium plus an additional 50 crores. Subsidy amount is broken up into 25 into 2 crores.
I never heard of the stadium in Goa. Why do you have to rely on the government when you are getting 100 crores from the BCCI to construct a stadium? I bought land privately in Vidarbha and built our stadium there.
Shashank Manohar was in Goa for Goa Cricket Association's prize distribution ceremony that saw the presence of several clubs and life members. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalists Prajot Pednekar and Sushant Pal. Isn't coconut tree climbing exciting? Especially when one has to race to the top of the coconut tree. The activity thrills the viewers. Practice makes a man perfect, and so is Nikhil Naik from Kanduli. He is just 13 years old and he says that climbing coconut tree is mere bhai haath ka khel. So let's watch the child climbing coconut tree with zest. But do not try it if you are not a professional, because climbing coconut tree needs practice and safety. Have a look.
नारियल का झाड़ पे चढ़ना मेरे भाई हाथ का खेल है.
The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. Now the coconut nut is a big, big nut, but this delicious nut is not a nut. It's the cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree. From the cocoa palm family, there are so many uses of the coconut tree. You can build a bigger house for the family. All you need is to find the coconut man. If he cuts the tree, he gets the fruits free. It's the cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree. From the cocoa palm family.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media. Don't worry if you have missed this bulletin. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in, or you can also catch latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.